here's a nice little deal of some Lightning Ridge seam opal. It's still got a little bit of clay floating through the pieces, but predominantly it's fairly clean. I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look, eh? Okay, I've zoomed in there. You can see how bright some of the pieces are. You can see some of the other pieces have got clay on it, like that bit. That tends to make it look not as good. Basically, one piece I wanted to sort of show you is this piece is quite pretty. It's grey, but still cut a nice stone there. Some of the other stuff, greens. Bright bar green there for you. It's one piece that should cut into a nice stone. Bits of crystal by the looks. It's very crystal like in its appearance. There's another piece, that multicolour reds, pinks on grey base. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at there for your money. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.